Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name remains Nelcon, the KDP expert. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, click the like button, and comment below any question you have regarding Amazon KDP in general. Without further ado, in these today's videos, I'll be taking you on a journey on how to generate content right from your social media space. For the sake of this video, I use what's it called Instagram. I was scrolling my Instagram this morning. I saw a particular video. I was like, this video makes sense. Why can't we do this? Why can't we do that? So without further ado, I'll be sharing my phone screen with you now, explaining what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you can see, this is my phone on my screen. So that this video I saw on what's it called Instagram this morning when I woke up. So this is the video. I'll play the video for you guys to uh listen because I downloaded the video immediately on my phone when I saw it on Instagram. So this is the video.
Instagram account and start posting viral clips about your topic.
So so that's the beginning of the video.
This business will only take you 4 minutes and will allow you to quit your job by tomorrow. Let's go. Step 1. Find niche where people are begging for help. We can do this by asking ChatGPT, what are 5 problems everyday people are suffering from? Step 2. Go to a website called plr.me and find the product ChatGPT gave you. Step
For me, I'm okay with that information. The information is what's let's go back again. Let's go back again. This is the beginning of the video. Let's see.
This business will only take you 4 minutes and will allow you to quit your job by tomorrow. Let's go. Step 1. Find niche where people are begging for help.
Listen.
You can do this by asking ChatGPT, what are 5 problems everyday people are suffering from?
What are 5 problems everyday people are suffering from? That's the question this particular video asks us to ask ChatGPT. And I did a perfect job by asking ChatGPT this same question and he gave me answer. So I didn't stop on ChatGPT. I used Gemini.ai. That's Gemini by Google. That's formerly called Brad. And he gave me some sweet options, man. Checking that sweet option, I feel no, I can't sit on this information alone. I have to share with you guys because I believe most people they find it difficult to generate content for their books, most especially the newbies. For me, I can tell you I have more than 100 books I want to write that I still have it pending in my folder. So guys, with this information alone, you can explore. So without further ado, let me show you what ChatGPT generated for me when I use this thing. Look at my ChatGPT app. Look at the question. What are 5 problems everyday people are suffering from? So ChatGPT says, here are 5 common problems that many people face in their life. One, it says financial stress, work-life balance, health issues, relationship problem. Then the last one says time management. I didn't stop on that. I moved to what's it called? Gemini. I use Gemini in the morning. So Gemini gave me number one. I don't know if you can see my screen. Let me change it to. Let me remove it from this. Okay, this is better. This is better. So this is the information Gemini gave me. Gemini say same question I asked Gemini. What are 5 problems everyday people are suffering from? The number one says stress, right? I don't need to read too much. Number 2 says financial strain. Number 3 says loneliness. Number 4 says relationship problem. And number 5 says health problem. So these are what people are searching for. For me, what did I do? Now, let's take a look at this together, guys, without wasting much of your time. I know for you watching this video, maybe you are new to Amazon KDP or you have been to Amazon KDP before, looking for how to get content for your page or so, or for your book you want to write on, or you are stranded with information. This is a these are videos when you're scrolling on Instagram, even when you are walking on your street, content are there. See everything as a content, guys. See everything as a content. There was a time I was in Computer Village, I saw something, the name of a building, I feel like I need to know more about this. And I wrote a book on it, and guess what? The book sold out. So for this particular video I saw on video on YouTube this morning, the first thing first I did was I went to what's it called? I opened my incognito tab, which we'll be doing it together right now. Open my incognito tab. You go to amazon.com, right? You will go to amazon.com. I feel I should use okay. I feel I should use the browser that has let me close this down. We'll come back to it. I would love to use a browser that have my extension or plugins, whatever you want to call it, installed. So let's do it here. Amazon, Amazon.com. Amazon. We'll pick one of those topic. We'll see the profitability, we'll see the search results, we'll see everything together right here now to see how crazy this thing is. See how crazy it is? Okay, so like you all know now, before now you go to your country, you change it to America, so that because of the content, change it to America, zip code, yeah, change address. I have my personal America zip code I normally use. Apply. That's not correct. Then apply. Then to change. Come here, change it to Kindle or books. This Kindle store. Now, the number one option. Let me go back to my this thing to show you guys. The number one option says stress for Gemini. Why for ChatGPT it says financial stress. So let's take stress our keyword. So on Amazon, let's type how to how to manage stress. How to manage stress. Let's see. That's a perfect keyword. But I can tell you for free that there are books that has this. Um, it has just 2,000 results, which for me, if I'm to say, is a nice niche score. Depending on how you can what's it called? You can use the keywords. Let's see stress management. Those are nice keywords. Let's see stress management. This is it. Stress management at 50,000. So this is too much. 2,000 to 50,000 is still fine. Uh, these are books. And let me go back to the first option that we did, which was how to manage stress. Look how the books under this particular niche. Look how this book they have 13 rating, 27. All of it almost have rating, guys. So these are basic, simple ways you can get information on social media. Don't just scroll on social media and be looking. The second option says, let's see if we can get, if we can, we still have more time. This one say work-life balance. Let's type that keyword. Work-life balance. Work-life balance. How many search results? 10,000 search results. I guess 10,000 is much, but if you can book like this, it will make sense for people that have money to run ad. Take a look at this. A good enough job. The claiming what's that? My apps attention are back to work. They are working. So books like this, based on the information, Gemini is up to date, while my ChatGPT is 3.5, which is not up to date, but you still have idea of what people are searching for. Book like this, if you are can write one or two or three books on one particular topic and use money to run advert with it, I bet you you are good to go. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. It's been a while I upload on my YouTube channel. Please, please, and please kindly subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give my video thumbs up and comment any question you have regarding this video in the comment section, or when it comes to Amazon KDP at large. Drop your comment. I will definitely respond to your comment one after the other. So without further ado, guys, see you in the next video and bye for now.